If you've ever found yourself needing to cut or trim a segment from an audio file, but don't want to install complicated editing software, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to easily trim audio using VLC Media Player. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create custom audio clips for podcasts, ringtones, or just to focus on the best moments in your favorite tracks. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, we need to make sure VLC's advanced controls are enabled. This allows us to record and clip sections of audio which isn't visible by default. So open up VLC and load your audio file just as you normally would. Now glance up at the top of the VLC window and find the View menu. This might feel familiar if you're used to poking around menus in other apps. Click on View and then click on Advanced Controls. Right away, you'll notice a new set of buttons appears just above the normal playback controls. The most important one for us is the little red record button. It looks exactly like what you'd see on an old cassette recorder, which is fitting, since we're about to do some audio trimming throwback style. Don't worry if you don't see them immediately. Sometimes you might need to expand the window or check the menu again until advanced controls are definitely turned on. Before you trim your audio, it's smart to decide where you want your finished clip to be saved. Here, go up to the Tools menu at the top and select Preferences. You'll get a pop-up window with a bunch of tabs and options. Click on the tab labeled Input/Codec. Now look for a section called Record Directory or File Name. This is where you tell VLC where to put your freshly cut audio file. Click the Browse button and pick your preferred folder, a place you'll remember like your desktop or a dedicated audio clips folder. Once you're happy with your selection, click Save. Setting this up first sidesteps the hassle of hunting around for files later, kind of like putting your car keys in the same spot every single time so you never lose them. Now we're ready for the real trimming. Go ahead and play your audio file. Listen carefully for the exact point where you want your trimmed segment to begin. When you reach that moment, pause the playback. It's perfectly fine if you need to replay the section a couple of times to get the starting spot just right. Precision will give you the best result. When you're ready, click that red record button to start. VLC will now quietly start capturing everything that plays. Let the audio roll forward until you reach your desired endpoint, then click the record button one more time. It's kind of like guiding someone through a tunnel and telling them to stop exactly at the right exit. The start and stop points you choose will be exactly what ends up in your new trimmed file. Once you click record for the second time, VLC saves your trimmed audio clip directly to the folder you set earlier. It's all automatic. No extra exporting steps, no confusing file formats. If you're working with longer tracks or you're editing interviews or voice memos, this quick process can really save you a lot of time and headaches. And if you don't see the file right away, don't worry. It might take a few seconds to appear, especially for longer clips. That's all there is to it. You've just trimmed an audio file using VLC Media Player. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Got a question or want tips for another VLC trick? Leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you want to see more easy guides like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching.